Hello there, folks. How you doing today? Hey, Ron Shawley here with AccuWeather.com and for the Phantom CJI Vision. This is the Phantom Vision that we're looking at right now, and I want to briefly go over some of the changes that have gone into the making of the Phantom Vision. Some of the components that come with the Phantom Vision, as you can see, it has a built-in onboard camera. The camera is mounted on a gimbal, which is motorized. It can move in a multitude of directions. It is also controlled through the interface on board that basically can go to a multitude of devices, including your cell phone. But the Phantom Vision comes as you see it. For the most part, everything is already installed. The landing legs, the camera. All you have to do is mount a couple of small items and you're ready to fly. Some of the changes that they've made to the Phantom Vision, and I might be missing a couple of details, but bear with me. First of all, the one thing they did was the propellers are self-threading. No longer do you need a wrench to install them. You simply thread them on. They're self-threading, and they're threaded in such a way that the force of the motor will keep the prop from spinning off, okay? The Phantom Vision has a new battery system. This is the NiCad battery, okay? A longer battery life than the old Phantom, and it's really awesome. To charge it up, you simply have a protective cover on your charger right here, the base, and you have two prongs right here, and these two prongs simply plug into the battery. I guess maybe what I should do is have a tripod, huh? Okay, you're simply plugging in the cord into the back of the battery just like that. Okay, it plugs right in. There you go. It simply plugs in. Okay, let's go. Okay, so here we have the charger, the Li-ion battery charger plugged into the battery. Simple connection. Charger gives you an indicator as to when the battery is charged up. Also, with the Phantom Vision, on the back of the camera, we have a couple of slots here for a micro SD card. We have camera on, Wi-Fi on. So it has a number of capabilities here, okay? Another nice feature about the Phantom Vision is up front here, we have a port for an onboard port for the Wi-Fi. I'm sorry, the USB connection is up front. So when you need to download or you need to calibrate your Phantom, you can plug it in right up front with this onboard USB connection. The lens itself comes with a plastic cover. Okay, we have spare props, USB cable, a bag of screws and bolts. This little device mounts onto the transmitter up on top here. That's your phone holder. So you mount the phone holder right onto the transmitter, and this is where you can mount your telephone, because you'll be watching your onboard flight to your camera on your cell phone, which is mounted to the transmitter. But it also comes with an extender, okay? This little device allows the signal to be extended further entirety, and like I said, it's basically ready to fly. Same as the old Phantom on the transmitter. You need to install 4 AA batteries for the transmitter. Now, some of the features about the Phantom Vision that I like a lot, and again, I'm almost certain about these new features, but the Phantom can stay airborne for up to 20 to 25 minutes. You can control the camera via the cell phone because you have your onboard application on your cell phone, so you'll be able to control the gimbal so the camera can move, in whatever position you choose to. The software has an onboard program for satellite, so you'll be able to identify via radar or radar scope where your Phantom is at all times. If it should land inadvertently or crash, it'll give you the GPS coordinates of its last known location. Okay, it provides an altimeter on board the software program to tell you just how high it is, be it 500, 1,000, whatever. Okay, it tells you that, which is a really cool feature to have. And it's just like the old one. It has the built-in fail-safe system. A couple of new features it has: that if the Phantom is flying and if it detects a microwave signal, which would be very similar to the signal being used via your transmitter, it won't be confused. It might hover for a few seconds, but then the Phantom will identify this is not my transmitter signal, this is a bogus signal, and I need to return home, and it will automatically return home. So it has a lot of really cool built-in features, and once we get it all put together here, I'll be doing another video to show you the Phantom Vision. Looking forward to flying it. And again, the applications for the Phantom Vision and the Phantom are staggering. Okay, we've been talking about this, but for the reasons of safety, okay, if you want to inspect power lines, you can use the Phantom Vision. If you want to inspect windmill, the blades of a windmill, fantastic operation there. Okay, so many different applications, but the bottom line is preserving life and doing the job that needs to be done in a safer manner. Okay, search and rescue, phenomenal. I mean, it absolutely does the trick over and beyond. In a lot of cases, you got a building that's collapsed, you can't walk into the building, you got all this rubble. You simply fly the Phantom out over the ground zero, and using the camera and the gimbal, now you can zoom in and you can photograph areas of interest by just flying overhead. Okay, anyway, this is the Phantom Vision, and we'll talk with you later. Bye.